What's up everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Eric and today we are POV birding here in Forest Park. I have absolutely trying to record here guys. I have absolutely fallen in love with this place. There is just such a variety of bird species here, and I have been here for the last couple of days just running around. I haven't really done any recording, but dude, it has been awesome. Like, just there's almost everything here, so that is what I'm going to kind of show you guys today. We're just going to walk around and just have fun birding. So grab yourself a drink, some snacks, whatever, and let's go have some fun. I will have to say this tree is really pretty, I bet, when it is fully bloomed. Although it's looking a little dead on the left side. Like I said guys, I've been coming here for the last few days and there's just no need for me to go elsewhere. This place is just crazy with birds. I'm debating, should we go this way or that way? That way takes us to another trail back way over there, so I think we'll go this way first because they are doing construction and we will have to turn around. But there was a lot of birds over here the other day, so we'll head this way first. There is a little blue heron over here somewhere. He likes just this area. I haven't seen him anywhere else. Now, who is that? Is that a thrush? Oh, it's a northern thrush. You have no idea where he went. Bummer. I lost him. Guys, there is a Palm Warbler in here. I have not gotten a good picture of him yet, and I don't think I'm going to in this one either, but it's still neat to see. Yeah, I definitely did not get a good picture, but that's alright. Still a really cool warbler to see. Hey, there's our little blue heron right across on the other side of this little river here. There he is. This has got to be my favorite heron. He is just so wild looking. Love the coloring on him. Try for a better angle over here, but I don't think we'll have it. There's too many trees in the way. Yeah. We'll go and get a good angle at him, plus there's a big old branch in the way, so crap. You guys can see him, he's right there. Looks like he's just gonna chill out here for a minute, so I'm gonna see if we can get just a hair closer. Oh, I didn't like that. We managed to get a little closer, but he seems to be startled. I don't think it's by us. I could be wrong. When I snuck over here, he seemed completely chill, so I don't know. Alright, I think we'll leave him alone. let him do his thing. I think he wants to hunt, as he was doing earlier over there, and then some people came by and scared him off, and that's what made him land on the bridge over here. And then when I got too close, this is where he flew. So the other day I had him right over here where all this mossy stuff is in the water, and I got some great shots of him. But absolutely one of my favorite herons. He's so cool looking. That Palm Warbler is back. It's right up here in the tree. I'm waiting for him to come down so I can try to get some photo of him. Oh man, I'm just hoping he does. Well, I got a few shots of him. Nothing spectacular, but that's alright. Literally an osprey just flew right over us. Did not expect to see an osprey here. Alright guys, so my bird app picked up a Northern Thrush. It's in this vicinity somewhere. Not exactly sure where though. There he is. I missed him. No! Crap. Where'd he go? Oh, God, there he is right there. Oh, he's right there in the tree, guys.